Hi, Beth. I thought I would, because I'm feeling so spry today, I thought I would record a screencast to show you how to fix this logo image. Now, one thing that you can do is make this image a background image and bring it into Photoshop and make this white transparent so that it doesn't, or you can use CSS to just shift the background image itself without changing it. Now with CSS we use Firebug. So you right mouse click and click on inspect element with Firebug, and down here you can see, so this is the CSS, and then this is the HTML, and I want to find out what that is styled like. And of course you have to say, okay, here is the background image, and then we've got this logo and it's got a marge. So I just generally start turning stuff off and see, okay, so there's our height and there's our margin. Look at that. It's got a margin of -4 pixels, and I don't know why that is. And then it's got this, so that's top, right, left, top, right, left, no, top, it goes clockwise, top, right, bottom, and then the next one would be left. Anyway, this is what you want to change. So we want to basically turn off this margin function, and actually I'm just going to change this to 0. And we do that in the base CSS in line 68. To get to that, we go over to Notepad, and our editor will open up this page and surf down into WP content, down to themes, to the theme that we're using, hover, and CSS, and there is base CSS. We bring it up here, it downloads it from the server onto our computer so that we can edit it. And the reason why we edit it here as opposed to the editor in WordPress is because we don't have, and I would show that to you, but I don't want to log in, because we've got all this beautiful color coding. And now I remember, because my memory is so good, that it was on page 6 or line 68, and there's our margin. So I'm just going to change that to 0 and change that to 0 and save it. It's going to upload. So bing bong boom, it's uploading, and then we refresh it over here, and what do you know? It comes out right, and we see that the margin is 0. Okay, that looks like it's fixed. Thanks for your attention, and you may or may not be able to work on this, but sooner or later, at the moment, you may be like, oh, that's just too much to learn. But this is my sort of workflow for fixing things like this. Okay, hope you had fun. Bye.